Behind me, one of the brand new Tesla Model Ys. It's in for a full wrap, however it's going from gloss black to matte black. So I'm very much looking forward to this one. So I'll take you through the process. Now, the two most important things for an install are isopropanol alcohol and film on. For the alcohol, I like to use 750 ml water and 250 ml of isopropanol alcohol. And for my slip solution, I fill it all the way up to 1000 ml, and then I put about 4 drops of the installation gel in. So that is the bonnet and both front wings completed. Looking really nice. I very much am a fan of the matte black on this Tesla. So now that's all done, it's day 2. I'm going to move on to the doors and hopefully the pillars as well, but we'll see how we get on today. So it's day 3 of the install. It's looking really nice. I'm very happy. The front end is done. All the doors are done. Some A-pillar sections are done. And even the strip on the rear boot is done as well. There's 2 parts to that, which I'm about to go over and show you now. But I'm happy. The only panel that I'm going to replace is the bonnet, and I'll show you why. Just on this front section here of the bonnet, there is a tiny, tiny stone chip, which I didn't even notice until I had the bonnet on and I squeegeed the film over it. I thought, is that a bit of dust or contamination? So I lifted it, it was a chip. But apart from that, I'm very happy. So the aim of today is to get the rear done. I've got a little dual motor badge here, which I'm going to debadge, and the customer has asked to leave it debadged as well, which I think will look nice. And there's also the second part of this top section of the rear boot where there's a join line. So I'm going to show you how to go about joining the film together so it's as invisible as possible. Oh, I forgot to mention as well, I want to get the A-pillars done today and the wing mirrors. I would say I've done a pretty good job. The thing with joins is that, especially one this size, it takes a lot of patience and, in my case, a lot of heavy breathing.